Hey family, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make one pot. Like one pot. It's so easy, and it's just, one pot. Okay, one pot. But it's just like putting everything in the pot, and 30 minutes later your food is done. That's basically the whole concept behind this one pot. But in our language we call it one pot instead of one pot. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you understand, but if you understand, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you be notified every time your girl posts another video. I know you missed me, and I missed you too. I missed y'all so much. Okay, so just watch the video. You're gonna see what I included in there, but also I'm gonna tell you, if you do have any restrictions or any allergies or anything that hinders you from eating anything that is in this video, please consult with your doctor, consult with your parents, because I don't want no smoke now. But yeah, go ahead and watch this video. But it was pretty easy. It's pretty self-explanatory. It wasn't really that difficult. It's just, blending everything and putting everything in a pot. Oh, those are fish, and I don't know if you guys watched my video how to make mango girl soup. That was the same fish I used, and I mean, I'm telling you, that fish is good. That fish is really good. I eat fish and shrimp now, until I'm able to get where I want to get, because I want to be a vegan again, but things aren't working how they're supposed to be working, and I know it's gonna work in my favor, so I'm just waiting on that. But yeah, just keep watching this video and enjoy. I hope you really do try it, and if you do try it, go ahead and comment down below. Give me some, just try to show me some love. Now I'm putting the rice, and I'm telling you, I wasn't thinking much on this part, because normally when you're cooking one pot, I don't know, for some reason that's just how I've always cooked. I will cook, and then either the pot is too small or it's not gonna cook right. That's usually my issues. The pot is too small, and in this instance the pot was too small. So if the pot was too small, it's not gonna cook right, because I'm just adding rice, because the water was gonna be too much for the rice, so I had to add more rice. But you're gonna see me switching the pot soon, and like I said, it's not really hard. After I switched the pot, I'm telling you, girl, it was just waiting. That's what I was doing at that point. It was just waiting. I was waiting on the rice to finish, but everything right now is already done. I'm just waiting for that water to go down and to dry, and voila. So right now here is still a little bit water inside, and this was me switching. I switched the pot already. There's still a little bit of water inside, so you do need to let it steam. And usually most white rice, majority of the white rice, steam. That's what cooks the white rice. Brown rice, you have to really put water in there, because if not, it's gonna be hard. You're gonna be chewing on rocks, okay, instead of a gum. But yeah, so it was just, it wasn't difficult. It wasn't hard at all. You're gonna see me put the plastic bag, and that's the traditional way to cook on the stove or on the charcoal. I miss those days, I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna use this plastic, and this plastic is just to help absorb the water, basically, from the rice. It's just gonna help it steam more. It's just like the double boil method. You know what I mean? The double boil method. I don't know if you understand what I mean by that, but it's like, and the double boil method. You understand what I'm trying to say. If you don't understand, then look it up. But yeah, I'm just gonna be done. I'm done talking. But I hope you guys like this video, and comment and show some love to your girl. But yeah, have a good one, and be blessed, be positive, be beautiful, and most importantly, be you. Don't let nobody tell you who to be. Don't let nobody speak for you, because you can speak better than anybody can. You can speak for yourself better than anybody else can for you. Okay? Stand up for yourself. Speak your truth. make sure your truth is heard. If it's not heard, then you're with the wrong people. That's just what it is. If you can't communicate with certain people, that's just because certain people are just not your cup of tea. And I had to come, into realization that everybody is not for me. So I mean, I can't hold a grudge or I can't be mad at anybody, but just speak your truth and be you. That's just it. That's all I'm gonna say in this video. That's all I'm gonna say. I ain't gonna say no more, because I know I know I probably already taught your ears off, but that's just me. And if you don't like it, you can click off and go to another channel. But for those who love me, I love you too, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.